Welcome back to my channel, Advocate Jayesh's Musings on Law. Today we will be seeing one of the latest judgments of the National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. This is based in Delhi and it's at a national level. It conducts benches all over India at certain times. So this is one of the judgments passed by it regarding the insurance claim. The facts of the case, of course, the person had been admitted to a hospital on the complaints of heart attack, and the insurance body, that is the insurance company, refused to honor the claim by the insurer, saying that the insurance form has not been completely filled up. There is a blank in one of the columns. Okay. Now, the Honorable National Disputes Redressal Commission has held that is the judgment which has been passed by the National Commission, is that just because one of the columns in the form is blank doesn't mean that the insurance claim cannot be processed. That doesn't mean that insurance claim cannot be honored. So, the Honorable Commission has directed the insurance company to honor the claim and give the insurer the amount. Now, why is this important? When we fill up insurance forms, some of us tend to leave certain blanks saying that, okay, this is not necessary. Let's just leave it like that. Now, it is not important that you should fill in all the columns, because some of the columns, the definitions, whatever is the description given, does not match to what we are having or what we are not having rather. So what do? We just leave it blank. Now this is mere technical error. It is nothing to do with non-fulfilling of the form. But if the column which has been left blank refers to any disease or anything, then if we have the disease, or rather the complaint, the health complaint, then it is good that we write down whatever is the complaint that we are facing regarding health, of course. And if we do not have any health complaints, in that case, at least make it a point to write N.A, not applicable. Okay, so at least then the people who are going through the insurance form, that is the insurance company people, will be able to make out that you do not have any such health complaints. Leaving the column blank can lead the insurance company to think as anything. It can be taken either way. Either that you don't have the complaint, or you have the complaint but you are not telling. Or it is mere just like this, some sort of a carelessness. But insurance company deals with many customers. They cannot go around checking each one's profile, right? I mean, saying that whether we have the complaint or not. Of course, it is the duty of the insurance company to make sure that they have all the documents relating to our illnesses. And if we don't have any illnesses, that means if we are not giving any medical reports, that means that we do not have any such illnesses. But instead of leaving the column blank, even though it is a technical error, it is better we fill it as N.A, so that there will not be any further dispute regarding the insurance claim in this manner. Because of technical error, there have been so many assumptions which have been made, saying that already the person has he was a heart patient, he or she was a heart patient, but it was not disclosed. All these disputes can be laid to rest at once. While filling up the form, if we write N.A, or just put a dash, small dash there, so that people will know while filling up the form that there is no such illness. This will lead to lot of stress-free handling of the insurance claim. Thank you.